Traveling with babies can be challenging, but also rewarding. You get to share new experiences with your little ones and create lasting memories. However, you also need to be prepared for the unexpected and plan ahead to make your trip as smooth as possible. Here are some tips and tricks for traveling with babies, based on the web search results I found. 1. Stick to your baby's schedule as much as possible. Babies thrive on routine and predictability, so try to plan your travel and activities around their nap time, bedtime and feeding schedule. This will help them stay calm and happy during the trip. 2. Pack plenty of baby essentials in your carry-on bag. You never know when you might face delays or emergencies, so it's better to have more than enough diapers, wipes, formula, bottles, water, snacks, clothes and blankets for your baby. You can also bring some toys, books, music or games to keep them entertained during the journey. 3. Choose a comfortable and safe mode of transportation for your baby. If you're flying, check with your airline about their policies and regulations for traveling with infants. You may need to bring a car seat, a stroller or a baby carrier for your baby. If you're driving, make sure your car seat is properly installed and take frequent breaks to stretch and feed your baby. If you're taking a train, look for family-friendly cabins or seats that offer more space and privacy. 4. Research your destination and plan your itinerary in advance. Find out what attractions, activities and amenities are suitable and available for your baby. You may want to avoid crowded, noisy or extreme places that could stress or harm your baby. You may also want to book your accommodation in advance and look for places that offer cribs, high chairs or other baby-friendly facilities. 5. Be flexible and adaptable. Traveling with babies can be unpredictable, so don't be too rigid or ambitious with your plans. Be ready to adjust your schedule or expectations according to your baby's needs and moods. Sometimes, you may have to skip an activity or take a detour because of your baby. But don't let that ruin your trip. Remember that the most important thing is to enjoy the quality time with your baby and have fun. I hope these tips and tricks will help you have a smooth and enjoyable travel with your baby. Smile.